Chapter 9. Ratio and Proportion. Ratio and proportion. The ratio of A to B, also written as A colon B, is the same as A over B. Example 1. A school has 800 boys and 400 girls. What is the ratio of boys to girls? The ratio of girls to boys. Solution. Ratio of boys to girls. 800 colon 400. We simplify it, then it will be 8 colon 4. We can simplify just 2 zeros, then it will be 8 colon 4. And we simplify this also by 4. 2 by 4. 1. Then it will be 4 colon 2. The ratio is 2 to 1. The ratio of girls to boys. And here we can simplify just 2 zeros. Then it will be 4 to 8 by 4. 1 by 4. 2. Then it will be 1 to 2. Example 2. In a basket there are 6 bananas, 10 oranges, and 8 apples. The ratio of the number of bananas to the number of apples is dash to dash. B. The ratio of the number of oranges to the number of apples and to the number of bananas is dash to dash to dash. Solution. A. Bananas are 6, apples are 8. Then 6 to 8. We simplify it. 6 by 2 is 3. 8 by 2 is 4. Then the ratio is 3 to 4. B. Oranges are 10, apples are 8, bananas are 6. Then we write 10 colon 8 colon 6. We simplify it by 2. By 2 is 5. By 2, 4. By 2, 3. Therefore, the ratio is 5 to 4 to 3. Example 3. There are 30 red pencils and 40 blue pencils. The ratio of the number of red pencils to the number of blue pencils is dash to dash. B. Find the ratio of the number of red pencils to the total number of pencils. Solution. A. Red pencils is equal to 30. Blue pencils is equal to 40. That is 30 to 40. Then we simplify it by 10. It will be 3 to 4. B. Red pencils is equal to 30. Total number of pencils is 30 plus 40 is 70. Then 30 to 70. We simplify by 10. It will give us 3 to 7. The ratio is 3 to 7. Exercise number 1. Akhyar's age is 4 over 5 of Abdullah's age. If Abdullah is 30 years old, then find Akhyar's age. Solution. Let Akhir's age is k. K is equal to 4 over 5 times 30 of Abdullah's age. We simplify it by 5. 1 by 5 is 6. Then 6 times 4 is 24. Number 2. A sum of money was shared among Hussein, Samson, and Abel in the ratio of 3 to 4 to 5. Abel's share was 80 nafa. A. Find Samson's share. B. Find Hussein's share. C. What sum of money did they have all together? Solution. Let us say Hussein's share is H, Samson's share is S, Abel's share is A. Solution for A. Samson's share is S. It will be 4 over 5. The ratio for Samson was 4 here. Therefore, we divide 4 by 5 since Abel's share is 5 and Abel's share was 80, then 4 over 5 times 80, then 4 over 5 times 80 will give us 64. I hope the explanation is clear. B. Hussein's share H is equal to 3 over 5. That is 3 is Hussein's share and 5 is Abel's share, and Abel's share was 80. We multiply it 3 over 5 times 80. Then after we simplify it, it will give us 48. You should check it. See, total money Hussein's plus Samson's plus Abel's share is equal to Samson's share is 64, Hussein's share is 48, and Abel's share is 80. Then it will give us 192. The total money shared was 192 nafa. Number 3. The ratio of gold and copper in a ring is 12 to 1. If the ring weighs 6.5 grams, how much copper is there in the ring? Solution. Here we will do ratio of the copper to total times of the ring's total weight. That is, the ratio of copper is 1 divided by 13. 13 is 12 plus 1. That is 13 total ratio times the ring's weight. Total ring weight is 6.5 grams. Then after we multiply and divide 6.5 divided 13, we got 0.5. Therefore, the copper's weight is 0.5 grams. The weight of the copper is 0.5 grams. Proportion. Mr. Ahmed is a baker of Himbasha. He uses a mixture of wheat and sorghum for his flour. In this mixture, the ratio of wheat to sorghum is 2 to 5. Mr. Ahmed made a table like this based on his ratio. In the first row, there are wheat in kilograms, and in the second row, sorghum in kilograms. Wheat here is the ratio is 2:5, and here 4:10, and here 6:15, and here 8:20, 10:25, 12:30. If the ratio are found to be equivalent, a proportion is formed. Now 2/5 is multiplied by this numerator is multiplied by 2, and this denominator is multiplied by 2. It will give us 4/5. Next, multiplied by 3. Numerator and denominator is multiplied by 3. Then it will give us 2 times 3 is 6. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 5 is 15. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 5 is 20, and so on. Therefore, these fractions are proportional, because if you simplify each fraction, it will give you 2/5. How many kilograms of wheat are needed for 30 kilograms of sorghum? Solution. The proportion wheat to sorghum is 2/5. Therefore, 2/5 is equal to x wheat in kilograms over 30 sorghum kilograms. We cross multiply it, then 5 times x is 5x, 2 times 30 is 60. X is equal to 12, that is, divide both sides by 5 by 5 by 5 is 1, by 5 is again 1, by 5 1, by 5 6. X is equal to 12 kilograms of wheat. Exercise completes the following table proportions to make bread. The first row is kilograms of powder. The second row is liters of water. Here the proportion is 2:3. Therefore, solution. The proportion of powder to water is 2/3. A. 2/3 is equal to x over 15. Then we cross multiply it. 3x is equal to 2 times 15. Divide both sides by 3. Then x will be 10. B. 2/3, which is the proportion, is equal to 18 over x. We cross multiply. 2 times x is equal to 3 times 18. Divide both sides by 2, then it will give us x is equal to 27. C. 2/3, which is the proportion, is equal to 24 over x. We cross multiply it. 2x is equal to 3 times 24. Divide both sides by 2. Then x will be 36. Number 2. The ratio of the number of English books to mathematics books in the library is 4:9. There is 2,600 English and mathematics books altogether. How many English and how many mathematics books are there? Solution. Here we calculate the ratio of each divided by total ratio. that is the number of English books, is 4 over total ratio 13, that is 4 plus 9 times 2600 is equal to, now we simplify by 13 1 by 13 is 200. 200 times 4 is 800 English books. There are 800 English books in the library. The number of mathematics books is 9, which is the ratio of mathematics over total 13 times total number of books 2600. And here we simplify it. By 13 is 1, by 13 is 200. 200 times 9 is 1800 mathematics books. Number 3. A sum of money was shared between Adam and Ephraim in the ratio of 3 to 5. Ephraim received 40 nafa more than Adam. How much money did Adam receive? Solution. Let Adam's money shared is A. Ephraim's money shared is E. Now E is equal to A plus 40. Ephraim received 40 nafa more than Adam. Therefore, E is equal to A plus 40. Now, A over E, that is the ratio of Adam to Ephraim, is 3 to 5. Cross multiply it. 5A is equal to 3E. 5A is equal to 3E, where E is A plus 40. We have said that E is equal to A plus 40. Then 5A is equal to 3A plus 120, that is 3 times 40. 5A minus 3A is equal to 120, that is collecting like terms. 2A is equal to 120. Divide both sides by 2, then A is equal to 60. Adam received 60 nafa.